I drove from Claremore to Fairland, Oklahoma, on a cool April day in old Dodge pickup. I headed her way, picking up my future wife. I did not know, by the way, but it's what we call our first date. Well, she bought a Mother's Day ring at a Walmart in Miami, okay, so we were gonna go pick it up. She said, we can take my car. Her car was an old red Cadillac. I said, okay. So we took the highway from Fairland to Miami, Oklahoma, made our way through the downtown strip to that big Walmart on the left-hand slip. Well, we went into the jewelry department, and they said the ring wasn't ready, and I wasn't ready for what was gonna happen next. You see, my pre-wife at the time weighed about 90 pounds and 4'10". And I can see she was getting pissed off by the customer service lady, so I started to grin. But Mary had a plan. Her face was stone cold, but I didn't realize what was going to happen when we jumped back in that red Cadillac. Well, my pretty wife went fucking crazy, to say the least. Is what happened. A girl had a leaf foot on her pedal, and she could make that Cadillac giddy up, go like a drag car down the fucking road, if you know what I mean. Well, when we hit the strip, the seat hit my hips, and I said to myself, if we crash, I'm gonna die. All the way down to the McDonald's in town, she pulled in, and we went inside and ordered the hamburger. She calmed down. This was our date, but I'll never forget that day. How we didn't get pulled over by the cops, I have no idea. Just lucky, I guess. Damn Mother's Day rings. Damn Mother's Day rings apparently meant a lot to her at that time. Well, that's the story of my first date with my wife. And after 20 years, I've never let her drive again. I love my wife, but she'll never drive me down the strip again. That scared the shit out of me, friend. I let her back up in the driveway while I watch. No need for any more plaque busting loose from my heart. Yes, I love you, baby. We'll leave the driving to me, and we'll live, we'll live, we will live, we will live happily. Good day. Y'all see you later. Bye-bye.